In this video, I will show you how to use anti-gravity in VS Code. So you generally have two options. First of all, you don't have the option to use anti-gravity inside VS Code, like the official one. So you either have to install and use anti-gravity and use it as its own editor, or basically import your VS Code settings and extensions into anti-gravity. If you want to use this in VS Code, you have some extensions. So on this left panel, if you go to extensions, we can choose here or look for Google anti-gravity. But you will find many extensions and none of them are by Google, so none of them are official. Just some people that will let you try to import or use like the IDE of anti-gravity or anti-gravity models inside a VS Code. So this is not the official way, but you can still do it. You can try any of the extensions if you like them and you can use it. For us, if you want, basically, you'll have to go and open a browser, go to antigravity.google/download. Make sure to scroll down into Antigravity IDE and download it whether you have Windows, Mac, or Linux. Once it is downloaded, just go and install it up. The installation should be simple, so accept, next, next, keep clicking on next example, and click on install. So as you can see, the process is very easy. So once it is installed, you can, as I said before, import your settings from VS Code, or if you still have VS Code fresh, you can just go and use Antigravity as its own IDE or as its own editor, because Antigravity is actually a VS Code based IDE. So it's not a normal VS Code extension. It's an AI focused coding environment built on top of Visual Studio Code. So now let me just wait for this installation until it's finished, and then we will finish. So once the installation finished, we can just go here and click on finish to run it up. And we will find this IDE here to code for us. So of course, the first thing, they will tell you to continue with Google, to log in into your Google account. It will open a new tab normally if you click on continue with Google. And if you don't want to log in, I don't know if it's possible. Let's just click on next. Okay, it doesn't seem so. So you'll have to sign in. Basically, just go and sign in using any browser you want. For me, I signed in the other browser. And here, as you can see, you can either start fresh or import from VS Code. So for me, I'm clicking on imports from VS Code and I'm choosing dark, next. I'm going to let it as it is and key bindings normal, not for Vim. And yeah, you can here choose any plugins that you want to add. For me, I don't want to add anything. And here, okay, I agree to this, click on next, and here we are. So now, everything that I have in my VS Code, I have it in Antigravity. So I'm basically using Antigravity inside VS Code, but it's not really, as I mentioned before, it's its own editor, but it's basically a VS Code based. So it's basically the same, and there is no real extension that you can use this inside VS Code. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.